Hey friends on Cars and Bits, I'm here today to make another video to show you three separate things. I'm going to show you close-ups of the engine bay area to just kind of show that it's completely original, untouched with the exception of the maintenance that I did personally. And we're going to take on a slightly more aggressive drive with a better video than the one I've already posted. And finally, I'm going to film the odometer as it rolls, as it goes up, just to show you that you are in fact looking at a ridiculously clean 48,000 mile BMW E30. I got this car from a friend of a friend of a friend. I know the guy personally. He's a very cool dude. Worked at Aetna for years and years, and he likes Beamers just like we do. So anyway, in the engine, I was like, how could I show, that this thing is basically completely original? And a couple things that I thought to show were like these hose clamps here are the original BMW hose clamps for the radiator hoses. This film I mentioned in one of the comments is like actually this might just be dirt, actually. It's kind of hard to tell, but like this is an anti-corrosive film that was put on everything. It doesn't really, you can remove it if you don't like the way it looks, but I told my detailer to leave it because I felt like it retained the originality. So like this hose I did replace, this one was not. And it's things like these clamps, these lines and hoses that would fail in the event of someone trying to be malicious or to swap an engine or swap a shell or, fake reality. It's those types of things that you can't really get around because they fail. So, these hoses, these clamps, let's go around here. Here's some more of the gooey stuff. This plastic clip, how fast would that break if you tried to remove this hose? Here's an example of a hose clamp I did change because you have to remove the radiator to change the timing belt. So this one I didn't like the original one that was in there, so I put a new one in. This one, as you can see, has probably never been taken off, ever. I brought a flashlight also, just so you could see down in here. It's all the way it's been. All right, now we're gonna go for a little drive. All right, for starters, we'll show you the odometer. You can see we're at 47,315. 166 on the whatever you call that thing, trip meter. Reset the trip meter, no problem. And I'm gonna hand the camera over here and we're gonna go for a spin. Seatbelt buckle's a little finicky, but it does work. Okay. that's it. See you later.